Welcome to our video, 7 things in your home you're cleaning too often. It's easy to fall into the habit of overcleaning, especially when we want our spaces to look their best. However, many common cleaning practices might actually do more harm than good. Join us as we explore the surprising areas in your home that are getting way too much attention, and learn how to maintain your space without compromising its beauty and longevity. 1. Overzealous dusting can dull your home's shine. Picture this. You're dusting your living room for the 3rd time this week, chasing every speck like it's your sworn enemy. It feels productive, but design experts warn that excessive dusting actually wears down finishes and fabrics. Polished wood surfaces, in particular, develop micro scratches. Each swipe steals a bit of their original luster. A little dust shows you live here, not in a museum, says interior stylist Jamie Drake. For most homes, every other week is plenty, and using a soft microfiber cloth keeps the process gentle. When dust settles for a few days, it won't hurt your air quality or style. Sometimes, letting your home breathe gives your decor a more relaxed, inviting vibe. 2. Excessive vacuuming weakens carpet fibers. Vacuuming can feel like a quick fix for a spotless home, but too much of it actually sabotages your investment. Modern carpets are built to withstand life, but daily vacuuming, especially on plush fibers, crushes the pile and shortens its life. In high traffic zones, once a week is ideal. Elsewhere, every 2 weeks suffices. Designer Jonathan Adler notes, over-vacuuming makes even expensive rugs look tired. Adjustable suction settings help, so you're not tugging at every thread. Think of your carpet as the foundation of a room's comfort. Treat it with care, and it'll reward you with years of softness and style. 3. Throw pillows need less laundering than you think. You've chosen the perfect throw pillows, and their pops of color lift the entire room. But constant washing drains their vibrancy and flattens their plushness. Spot cleaning is almost always enough, unless there's a spill. For removable covers, a seasonal wash keeps them fresh without risking faded patterns or misshapen fills. Home stagers often fluff and rotate, instead of washing, prolonging the designer look. Pillows are meant to be cozy and inviting, not frazzled by laundry cycles. Let them do their job, welcoming you in style, without the stress of weekly washing. 4. Kitchen counters suffer from over-sanitizing. It's tempting to wage war against every crumb and smudge, especially on sleek marble or quartz counters. But daily use of harsh chemicals actually erodes sealants and leaves surfaces dull. A simple mix of gentle soap and warm water is all you need for daily upkeep. Once a week, go for a deeper clean with a non-abrasive product. Realtor insights from Zillow show that kitchens with well-maintained, but not scrubbed raw, counters tend to photograph better for listings. Your kitchen should feel like a gathering place, not a sterile lab. A touch of real life adds warmth to the space. 5. Bathroom fixtures lose luster from too much scrubbing. Faucets and showerheads gleam when they're clean, but aggressive scrubbing wears away finishes and can even cause tarnish. Weekly wipe downs with a soft cloth and mild cleaner preserve their shine without risk. Stagers prepping homes for sale often focus on a light polish, not a deep scour. Chrome and brushed nickel are especially sensitive. Overcleaning leads to dullness and water spots that never quite go away. A sparkling bathroom is all about balance. Enough care to keep things fresh, but not so much that the fixtures lose their designer appeal. 6. Windows don't need constant attention. Sparkling windows make rooms feel sun-drenched and open, but cleaning them too often can be counterproductive. Too frequent washing breaks down weather seals and leads to streaks, says a recent House Trend report. 2 to 3 times a year, with a gentle cleaner and squeegee, is all most homes require. Between cleans, a quick spot wipe on fingerprints does the trick. Over-cleaned glass sometimes looks worse, catching the light in all the wrong ways. Let your windows frame the view. Don't let a cleaning obsession get in the way of the natural glow. 7. Baseboards don't need weekly scrubbing. Baseboards quietly outline every room, but scrubbing them too often wears away paint and leaves uneven patches. Asterisk a light dusting monthly keeps them crisp asterisk, while a deeper clean every season is more than enough. Designers often use a clean, slightly damp cloth to avoid scuffs. In staging, fresh-looking baseboards subtly signal a well-maintained home without screaming for attention. Overcleaning, on the other hand, can make even new trim look battered. They're meant to be the frame, not the focal point, of your home's style. 8. Too much laundry can age your towels fast. Fluffy towels are a daily luxury, but washing them after every use leads to faded colors and scratchy fibers. Asterisk experts recommend using towels 2 or 3 times between washes asterisk, allowing them to fully dry in between. This keeps them soft and extends their lifespan. In high-end homes, you'll notice towels remain plush and bright, carefully managed, not constantly laundered. Letting a towel rest is a small act of self-care that pays off every time you step out of the shower. 9. Wood floors hold up better with less mopping. That glossy hardwood you love isn't meant for daily soaking. Asterisk frequent wet mopping can cause warping and dullness asterisk, especially if your mop leaves behind water or harsh cleaning products. Dry dusting or vacuuming every few days is all you need. Occasional mopping, once or twice a month with a specialized wood cleaner, keeps floors looking rich and inviting. As one designer puts it, wood wants to breathe, let it shine on its own terms. Your home's foundation deserves a gentle touch. 10. Decorative objects don't need constant attention. Those art books, vases, and collectibles are meant to be admired, not endlessly handled. Asterisk too much cleaning risks chips, fading, and even accidental breakage. A gentle feather duster every few weeks keeps dust at bay without disturbing arrangements. Stagers often advise leaving just a hint of lived-in charm. Perfection can look stiff and unwelcoming. Let your objects tell their story, and resist the urge to polish away every fingerprint. Cleaning is a form of love, but so is knowing when to step back.